Hey guys, this is a quick critter cam. I'm being invaded by the common crackle, as they're known. They're too small to be crows. They're black. They've got kind of a brownish black beak. So I'm pretty sure they're common crackles, but they're starting to attack those suet blocks. I've got to change them out about every 5 or 6 days now. They're coming in the millions. There's millions of them. I can't even go outside. It's dangerous out there. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.